Hey, what's up guys, Winston here, and today we'll be doing a quick unboxing of the Thermaltake SWAFAN 12 RGB. These cooling fans from Thermaltake offer a unique feature that allows you to swap out the fan blades from a push configuration to a pull configuration. It comes with 3 separate individual fan blades that reverses the airflow and allows you to then configure your system how you want it. These fans can be mounted both on the radiator or on your case and really make your system look really fantastic. To test these fans, we'll be using a Thermaltake Tough Liquid Ultra 360 all-in-one cooler and see how it looks and performs. But before we do that, let's do a quick unboxing and we'll see you in a bit. Alright, let's do a quick unboxing of the Thermaltake SWAFAN 12 RGB. These are the radiator fans with the swappable fan blades. Got 3 LED ring lights as well with 30 single LEDs. Interesting. Alright, let's see what's inside the box. Okay. Alright, here we have, these are 3 swappable fans, and they're individually packed, so that's pretty cool. So you've got 3 of them there, and you have the accessory box. We'll take a look in a sec. And you also have the actual fans themselves. There's 3 of them, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, let's take a look inside the accessories to see what you got. Fan screws for the mounts for your radiator. There's a Velcro strap here for your controller. There's more screw mounts for your fans. There's the actual controller itself, the Thermaltake controller for your RGB and things like that. Fan controls. You're able to fit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fans here. There's also the controls there, the dip switches. Power, I guess, USB, and also there's a 4-pin connector there. And that, I believe, is the kind of daisy chain, the controllers. Alright, what else is inside? A load of cables, including the USB, the Molex, and of course the daisy chain connector there, a USB. Yeah. And some more instructions there. Radiator fan, the SWAFAN RGB. Alright, so that's all the accessories in there. And of course you need the TT RGB Plus software to control all your LEDs and fan speeds and things like that. Alright, let's take a closer look at the fan itself. Here we have the ring fans. Okay, so you got 3 LED sets here, 1 on the inner rim, 1 on the outer rim, and of course the fan blades is also the LED there. Okay, it's got these nice rubber cushions there for anti-vibration. That's nice. And yeah, so you pop this out and you put the other fan in there. If you can see the 2 different inversion of the blades. That's the normal one, and this is the other one. So this one, of course, pushes from in to out, and you put this fan blade, swap them over, and you have going in from this side and out this side. So it gives you the option then to, rather than having these fans looking at you like this way, imagine you mount them in the front, then you will see this black kind of controller of the motor there, which isn't that great. The fan goes kind of that way. But if you put them in this way and swap them, then you'll be looking at fans going, air going in and out that way. So that's how it works. Alright, so let's try and swap out these fan blades with the reverse ones. Basically, you kind of put your fingers in between those fan blades like that, and you grip it like this, and you kind of like push it out and you hear the click sound. Okay, so that's what it looks like. And you pop these in. And that's pretty much it. Here we have the two fan blades. One's the normal one and the other one's reverse, and you'll notice the difference between this black sticker right here. That's the normal fans with the normal direction, and the reverse direction has a silver sticker, and you can see the different fan directions. You can see that from the angle there. Okay, and basically that's pretty much it. Alright, so we'll be installing these fans onto our radiator and with an all-in-one cooler from Thermaltake, and see how they perform and what they'll look like with the reverse blades. Alright, so we'll see you in a bit.
The Thermaltake SWAFAN 12 RGB offers interchangeable fan blades, allowing you to reverse the airflow. It's perfect for mounting on chassis or radiators to give you that pull-push configuration without having to worry whether your system will look out of place. If you're a water cooling enthusiast, you're now able to mount these fans on both sides of the radiator, giving you that elusive pull-push configuration, all the while with the ring fans showing off its RGB in full uninterrupted view. The reverse fan blades are easy to change and swap out. You just pop out the standard fan blades with the black sticker and pop in the reverse fan blades with the silver sticker, and your job done. I really like these SWAFAN 12 RGB from Thermaltake. They're pretty unique and offer decent cooling performance with quiet operation. What's more, the reverse fan blades can be changed and swapped out easily, and they're great for anyone who wants to implement a pull-push configuration for the cooling fans on their chassis or radiator. You can check out the full review on our website at funkykit.com.
And there you have it. There's a quick look at the Thermaltake SWAFAN 12 RGB. Some cooling fans that will make your system look fantastic, with the option to configure your system in a pull-push configuration. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like and leave a comment down below. Don't forget, you can actually buy these via links in the description. And of course, visit our website for more news, reviews and hot tips. Oh yeah, don't forget, hit the subscribe button for more. Until next time, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.